Everywhere I go, they call me Cash Madam, say me fresh and clean, call me Cash Madam, anything you know I got it. Cash Madam, baby, Cash Madam, Cash Madam, V-Money.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow, once again I'm going to be showing you guys one wig that I love so much. Okay, so this wig is from Love Me Hair. Like, I'm so excited about this wig. It's a braided twist wig with cornrows in the front. Like, this wig is so cute. So right now I'm showing you guys everything it came with. Okay, it came with a little comb for your edges, the headband wig to lay your edges, a mirror. So this right now is a mirror. And guys, like, this hair, I'm so in love with it. Like, all this wig I'm showing you guys right now, the way I will enjoy the wigs in winter period, like, come on. Because anyways, the heat in this country is too much right now, so I'm going to enjoy these wigs very soon. Like, I'm very excited. Like, look at how natural this looks. So the inside, they have combs by the side, it has comb in the back, you have adjustable straps, you have elastic band, like, to secure the wig, sis, because you need to secure the wig so it won't fly away. Like, and this obviously is a glueless wig. You don't need any glue, you don't need nothing. And upon that, it have baby hairs. What else do you want in life? Nothing. Look at how natural this looks. I'm so happy about this wig. Like, I'm really happy about it. Anyways, let me allow you guys to enjoy this video and see how I'm applying foundation and all. So guys, we'll see my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, okay? And drop a comment down below telling me what you think about this wig, because this wig, they pop. This wig is popping. Okay guys, bye.
Oh, no. You don't cut in my weave 100. You make a boy sick and a boy well. Nothing my eyes see, my mouth, you don't tell her. I enter in cause I give you umbrella. I thought we in this together. Give you my necklace, you pendant. Give you my last card, you spend. I showed you my best friend, your friend. I thought we in this together. Give you my necklace, you pendant. Show you my best friend, your friend. I give you my last card, you spend. Everything I do, I under 50 under. Me I know fit under, I know fit understand. That thing way I do me under, I know fit understand. Oh no, under, I know fit understand. All of my friends are beautiful them. I don't mind, I pick it on them. I don't fight the uniform man. All who can you face the problem, oh no. See, turn the fire that you're raising. See, turn the fire that you're raising. I thought we in this together. Give you my necklace, pendant. Give you my last card, you spend. I showed you my best friend, your friend. I thought we in this together. Gave you my necklace, pendant. Showed you my best friend, your friend. I gave you my last card, you spend. Everything I do, I under 50 understand. Oh baby, under me no fit to understand. The thing when you do me under I no fit to understand. Oh no, under I no fit to understand. I thought we in this together. Give you my necklace and pendant. Show you my best friend, your friend. Give you my last card, baby. I thought we in this together. Give you my necklace and pendant. Show you my best friend, your friend. I give you my last card, just spend, baby. under, I know if you understand. Oh no, under, I know if you understand. Oh no. You don't cut your mind with 100. You make a boy sick and a boy well. Nothing my eyes see, my mouth, you don't tell her. I ain't that rain cause I give you umbrella. I thought we in this together. Give you my necklace, you pendant. Give you my last card, you spend. I showed you my best friend, friend. I thought we in this together. Give you my necklace, you pendant. Show you my best friend, friend. I give you my last card, you spend. Everything I do, I under 50 under. Me I know fit under, I know fit understand. That thing way I do me under, I know fit understand. Oh no, under, I know fit understand. All of my friends are beautiful them. I don't mind, I pick it on them. I don't fight the uniform man. All who can you fix the problem, oh no. See, turn the fire that you're easing. See, turn the fire that you're easing. I thought we in this together. Give you my necklace, baby. Give you my last card, you spend. I showed you my best friend, your friend. I thought we in this together. Give you my necklace, baby. Showed you my best friend, your friend. I give you my last card, you spend. Everything I do, I under 50 understand. Oh baby, under me no fit to understand. The thing when you do me under, I no fit to understand. Oh no, under, I no fit to understand. I thought we in this together. Give you my necklace and pendant. Show you my best friend, your friend. Give you my last card, baby. I thought we in this together. Give you my necklace and pendant. Show you my best friend, your friend. I give you my last card, just pendant. Baby, under, I know if you understand. Oh no, under, I know if you understand. You don't cut your mind with 100. You make a boy sick and a boy well.
If you like this video and this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe right there, click the bell button over there and share, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Give you my last card, you spend. I showed you my best friend, your friend. I thought we in this together. Give you my necklace, you pendant. Show you my best friend, your friend.